So we have big news coming in. Let's take a look at that. Our top story coming in from Jharkhand this morning. It's a mountain of cash that has been seized. The counting, we are told, is still on. A reminder of the 300 crore rupees cash haul. A reminder of the 1 lakh rupees crore cash haul that had happened. The properties that had seized earlier as well. The focus remains Jharkhand. Remember, about barely a year ago, when another Congress MP had properties, assets linked to Jharkhand, to Odisha. And then before that as well, there's been a constant mention. Hemant Soren, the former chief minister, has been in custody over allegedly corruption there in the state. You're looking at, just look at what the cash haul, which we are told is still being estimated to about 20 to 30 crore rupees in cash. The counting machines are at the location, but it will be a while before they can finally count these cash bundles. We are told that this is Congress's Alamgir Alam, who's the Rural Development Minister, whose personal assistant's house help is where they have recovered this cash from. It's the Enforcement Directorate raids that are underway also in 6 other locations. Satyajit is joining me for the latest on that. Satyajit, good morning. क्योंकि चाहे वो 350 करोड़ का कैश हॉल 1 साल पहले कांग्रेस एमपी से जुड़ा या अब जो मंत्री के घर ये कैश हॉल मिला है. Do tell us, Satyajit, that this Congress leader, the minister, we are told, the cash was not recovered from his house, but from the personal assistant's house help. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, it seems that Jharkhand has become the hotspot of cash. In 2022, 19 crore rupees were recovered from the CA of IS officer.
Request you to stay on with me. BJP's Nishikant Dubey is speaking. This has become a huge political showdown. Let's listen in.
अब यहाँ राष्ट्रपति शासन के अलावा कोई विकल्प नहीं है. आप समझिए, विधायक दल का नेता है ये आलमगीर आलम, और ये बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों को बढ़ावा देने वाला एक बड़ा समर्थक आदमी है. पूरी संथाल प्रणाली की डेमोग्राफी बदल गई. पूरा का पूरा इसकी तो जांच होनी चाहिए कि आईएसआई की फंडिंग इसको मिलती है धर्मांतरण कराने के लिए और बांग्लादेशी घुसपैठियों को यहाँ का नागरिक बनाने के लिए. ये पैसा वो भी हो सकता है. एनआईए को जांच करनी चाहिए इसकी.
निशिकांत दुबे जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे जुड़ने के लिए. पार्टी का
All right, so that's Nishikant Dubey of the Bharatiya Janata Party charging clearly at the Jharkhand ruling party and the ministers. Remember, this is Minister Alamgir Alam, who's a rural development minister, whose name had surfaced earlier as well. I come back to you, Satyajit. What are you hearing, the latest on the ground?
The counting is still on and huge cash was recovered. That is what we have been told by our sources. And as I was discussing, that this has become it seems that Jharkhand has become the hot spot for the cash house which is being recovered. Earlier, it was Pooja Singhal, senior bureaucrat. 19 crore rupees were recovered in 2022, and that is in public domain. After that, 351 crore rupees were recovered from Rajya Sabha MP's different locations from Jharkhand to Orissa, Dheeraj Sahu. After that, now this is the turn of, we have been told that huge cash, a cache of cash, treasure trove. ED has come across a treasure trove. Cash worth more than 20 crores have been recovered. The counting is still on from the location of household help of Rural Development Minister Alamgir Alam. He has been a senior leader of Congress in Jharkhand. He is the legislature party leader, also holds the portfolio in cabinet. So, earlier also, cash was recovered from the chief engineer of the same department, Virender Ram, who is incarcerated in jail. So it's a story of money laundering. ED, whenever raids on locations of leaders or bureaucrats, they come out with a huge recovery. So this is really strange, and ED absolutely sees red, and it is contemplating another money laundering angle. How this wealth has been amassed is yet to be ascertained. The question in investigation is still on.
Stay on with me because Irfan Ansari, Congress MLA, is also joining me right now. Irfan Ansari ji, ये जो अब फिर से इतना बड़ा माउंटेन ऑफ कैश मिला है, इसको किस तरह से आप रिएक्ट करेंगे, डिफेंड करेंगे? क्योंकि बार बार झारखंड के मंत्रियों का नाम सामने आ रहा है कि उनसे जुड़े लोग हैं, उनसे जुड़े एसेट्स और प्रॉपर्टीज है जो क्लियरली दिखाता है कि करप्शन हो रहा है स्टेट में।
एक्चुअली पूजा, मुझे अभी मालूम चला
जी,
जस्ट नाउ आई हेard about this
Yes.
action. So I'm saying that the corruption is corruption. Congress party cannot tolerate this type of corruption. If our minister Alamgir Alam Sahab, his PA is doing corruption, this is a big thing. I think let us we have to wait first, and उसके बाद हम कुछ बता पाएंगे। अभी मुझे जानकारी नहीं मिली है, लेकिन जहाँ तक ये जानकारी है मुझे कि कांग्रेस पार्टी आदरणीय श्रीमती सोनिया गांधी जी और राहुल गांधी जी करप्शन के खिलाफ हैं, और जो लोग भी करप्शन किया है कांग्रेस पार्टी ने उसका खिलाफ किया है। और मैं फिर से कहूंगा कि झारखंड एक बैकवर्ड स्टेट है, और यहाँ इस तरह की बातें आना, सामने आना, ये कहीं न कहीं दाग लगता है। हम लोग पढ़ लिख के आए हैं, यूथ है हम लोग, और इस तरह का बातें अगर मीडिया में चल रहा है, देश में आ रही है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी लिप्त है, ये गलत बात है। हम चाहेंगे कि अभी थोड़ा वेट करना चाहिए। ईडी ने जो कार्रवाई की है, अगर सही में पैसे पकड़े गए हैं तो ये गलत बात है, मैं उनका खंडन करता हूं। और साथ ही साथ मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं आपके चैनल के माध्यम से कि व्हाई इन कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट स्टेट, क्या बीजेपी स्टेट में ये सब करप्शन नहीं हो रहा है क्या? ये वहाँ के क्या नेता ईमानदार है, वहाँ के सीएम ईमानदार है, वहाँ के मंत्री ईमानदार है क्या? ओनली झारखंड, ओनली बंगाल, व्हाई? बिहार में था, बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री भाजपा का पैर पकड़ लिए, वहाँ क्लीन चिट मिल गया। तो फिर भी मैं कहना चाहता हूँ अगर हमारे पार्टी में अगर कोई मंत्री करप्शन किया है तो पार्टी विल टेक द एक्शन इमीडिएट। और मैं ये जो बात कहना चाहता हूँ कि माहौल जो खराब कराया जा रहा है, चुनाव के समय में ये ईडी की छापा क्यों चल रही है भाई? चुनाव में हम लोग प्रचार में व्यस्त हैं और हमें लगता है कि टारगेट किया जा रहा है हमारे नेताओं को।
नहीं, पर आप टारगेट कैसे कह रहे हैं इरफान अंसारी जी? बिकॉज इफ दिस इज डन बाय द एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टोरेट एंड देयर इज एविडेंस, देयर इज सो मच ऑफ कैश फाउंड, व्हाई आर यू ब्लेमिंग आइदर द बीजेपी और द ईडी? द ब्लेम शुड बी ऑन द मिनिस्टर एसोसिएटेड विद वेयर द कैश हैज बीन फाउंड।
यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट, बट वी हैव टू वेट मैम। मैं ईडी के खिलाफ में कुछ बोल नहीं रहा हूँ, लेकिन ईडी तो इतना कहूंगा कि वो अपना कार्रवाई करे
जी।
और अभी दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज, वी हैव टू वेट फर्स्ट, देन वी हैव टू गो अहेड और लेट अस सी अगर इन्वॉल्वमेंट होता है हमारे मंत्री का
जी,
तो ये गलत बात है। मैं इनका निंदा करता हूँ और मैं कंडेम करता हूँ कि कांग्रेस पार्टी ने यदि किसी पे विश्वास जताया है, किसी को जवाबदेही दी है, तो उनको भी इन सबसे बचना चाहिए। और पीए के घर में जो नोटों का बरामदी हुआ है मैडम, ये निश्चित तौर पर शॉकिंग है। इलेक्शन का माहौल है और हम लोग देखते हैं कि आगे क्या होता है, लेकिन इतना जरूर कहेंगे कि कांग्रेस पार्टी जनता की पार्टी है, लोकहित की पार्टी है। अगर नेता कांग्रेस पार्टी को बदनाम करे तो अच्छा नहीं लगता है हमको। दिन रात राहुल जी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, पसीना बहा रहे हैं, लोगों के आंसू पोंछने का काम कर रहे हैं, और दूसरी और हमारे नेताओं के घर में अगर उनके पीए के घर में कैश मिलता है तो चिंता की बात है मैडम।
थैंक यू सो मच इरफान अंसारी जी, हमसे बात करने के लिए, अपना व्यू रखने के लिए। नाउ इरफान अंसारी सेज वी मस्ट वेट, वी मस्ट सी if there is the minister involvement, there must be action, but don't pin this on the Congress leadership. But remember, this is a huge political showdown, not the first time that Jharkhand has come into controversy. A still developing state, there are a lot of issues that concern people of Jharkhand, and then for some reason there is this mountain of cash that is found from a personal assistance property. I want to bring in Munish Pandey, who's broken this news and is tracking all the latest. Munish, you tell me, is there an estimate of how much cash there is possibly that has been discovered right now? How has the minister's office, minister got involved in this? How is the ED progressing with this case?
Well, Pooja, at this point of time, we have been given to understand is that the ED is yet to count all the currency notes, and it is expected that it may somehow reach to around 30 crore rupees in cash. It may exceed also. The bank officials have been called in at the location, which is an apartment on the first floor of a building in Ranchi. Now, as far as ED is concerned, what they are claiming at this point of time, and Pooja, this is very interesting that how ED got to know about this location and how the entire case unfolded. In the month of May, there was a chief engineer who was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate for taking a bribe of merely 1,000 rupees. And when that particular chief engineer was questioned by the Enforcement Directorate, he disclosed before the ED officials that the bribe money which he receives also goes to certain other officials of the department, of the ministry, and also somehow the minister is connected. the ED started their intelligence work. Certain officers were tasked to gather intelligence on the minister and the department, and then the ED decided to conduct searches at several premises. What is interesting here, Pooja, is that the premises from more than 30 crore rupees have been recovered, which the viewers can also see on their screen, the mountain of cash. This doesn't belong to an officer or the minister. It belongs to the household of a person who was working as a personal secretary to the minister. It appears that he was a trusted man of the personal secretary of the minister. And at this point of time, ED is claiming that they are conducting searches as multiple locations, but this is the specific location from
Munish,
which
and
ED
of course
has been
that
able
means
to
this is
recover.
what you're telling us is huge, and I reiterate, this is not the first time that Munish and I are talking about this cash haul or any of these money that clearly does not have a clear source coming in from Jharkhand. But however, we'll wait for a reaction and the first response from the minister whose name is coming up, Alamgir Alam. He's a rural development minister of Jharkhand. His name had cropped up earlier as well. What does he have to say that such a mountain of cash has been recovered from those aides associated with him and very closely, personal assistant and his house help? More on that as we'll continue to track. This is the biggest story this morning. Remember, it's the election season. So much of cash needs to have a clear source, official source that has not yet been confirmed.